1/2 cup cooking oil. 2 medium-size onion chopped. Cook on medium flame until light golden brown. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 1/2 kg chicken. Cook on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. A 1/2 cup tomatoes paste. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. A 1/2 teaspoon red chili flakes. A 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix well. 1 cup water. Cover and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, a 1/2 teaspoon allspice powder. 2 cup fresh peas. A 1/2 cup water. Cover and cook on medium flame until peas are done. After 8 minutes, 2 green chilies chopped. 2 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves.